to name that, I think, as supplier details. So we'll go ahead and rename. Probably won't let me because I haven't saved it, right? So we could close it, save it, rename it supplier details. Okay, so I think we're wrapping up the first tutorial. Close the supplier, then compact repair vendor database, close the vendor database. So we're just simply going to make sure that we have our table, our query, our form, our details. We're going to save it. Save as. We're going to save it as vendor database, not vendor one, right? Since we already have it, it says do you want to replace it? Yes. And then it wants us to compact and repair. So we'll go ahead and do that. And that concludes tutorial 1.